All right, guys, if you guys are looking for a sport camera to use outdoors, here's the one. Here's what comes in the box. This is one of those small little cameras action cameras that you can place on your handles or any surface that you want a different point of view. Here's the camera right here. That's all you get is that little camera that you can put anywhere. Has a magnet in the back. Has a button here that is what tells you you're when you're recording. So this is how it looks. This is standby. To pair it with your phone, you have to hit it twice and then it will vibrate and this will turn like a teal and blue. That means that it's in discovery mode. Then it's gonna show on your phone as a H88 something. They'll tell you the password there. Then you connect it to your phone and now you're ready to go. Um, it does if you want to control or watch what you're recording on your phone. Once it pair with your phone, that goes solid blue, and then to start recording, once you press the button, it will start recording, and then once you're done recording, it will download it to your phone or to the memory card. This takes a micro SD card that goes in this spot right here, micro SD right there on the side, and it has a port, USB-C port, because you can use this camera as a webcam too. It's 4K. Those are 30 frames per second, and microphone is right here. The sound is all right, but the video is good. I'm gonna post some little shots that I made around. This one has housing to do underwater. So this brings a adapter. You can put the camera in there. You can it's 360 the adapter. Sorry, and I put it the wrong way, but to detach it, you just press that open up. There you go. Now you can stick it anywhere here or anywhere you want to stick it to, but it does has a handle and it turns 360. It brings a linear for your neck. So you just put it here. And like I said, this has a magnet. Put it backwards like this. Even tell you there, reading is fundamental. So now you have a different point of view that you can, if I'm doing a review, I can have it on my hands while record here. Has a USB adapter. So it's USB A, and then you can put your micro SD card back there and then stick it on your phone. Like I said, this one is selling in a sport camera. So this one has a whole bunch of adapters that you can use to attach to different places. This one's like an GoPro adapter, so you can adapt it there. It has 3M connections, so you attach this to your handles or your helmet, and then you can attach these to it. More attachments. So that's 2, 3, 4 more. It's another attachment. This is for your handles. So you don't screw that, stick it on your handle and then you stick it there. This is the main one to put your camera in there. You stick your camera, tying it up, and then you can put it in any of these handles. And then you have the waterproof one, which is pretty cool. If you're gonna go like to rapids or snorkeling or deep sea, to the deep sea, you can put the camera there once once you get it ready to record, and then you seal it with these. Now it's waterproof. Take these off, and now it's waterproof. You got the button here to press it to start recording, and then to mount it, like I said, any of these mounts. So that makes it pretty cool. Like I said, you see the blue light there, so you should be able to see when it's on and when it's recording. So you just press, it's gonna vibrate, and then it's gonna start recording. It records in 4K, and has to take it off. You just take the same thing. You just pull, and then you open. Now you're ready to go. And then you can connect it to your app and download. But I, I advise you to be better if you just plug the USB-C and transfer fast instead of waiting on the phone because it's kind of slow. Photos is fast, but Video, it takes a little bit. So, and this one does bring a 64 gig micro SD card, which on that only is saving money that you don't have to buy your micro SD. Definitely recommend it for the price. If you are outdoors all the time, if you do water sports or any cool sports, cycling or motorcycles that you want to have a cool point of view, this is the one. I hope this video helped and thank you for watching.